Hi guys, so last time, nag addition and subtraction of integers and may binigay akong um, sample exercises. Nakalaan yung sagutan. So right now, and I've said in the previous video na bibigay ko yung sagot. So now let's try answering this and kung magkapara tayo ng sagot. Okay, for number 1, um, 1 minus 3, again, subtraction. So 1, proceed tayo sa addition, and then change the sign of the number after the subtraction sign. So from negative 3, from positive 3, magiging negative 3 siya. So ito is magiging negative 2. So number 2, and then 4 plus 1 equals 5. So number 3 is negative 6. Proceed to addition, change the sign, 14. So number 4 is, since addition to tapos di sila magkapera ng sign, i-subtract natin sila. 8 minus 6 is 2. Copy the sign of the bigger number. So positive 2 or 2. So number 5, subtraction, negative 3. Change the addition and change the sign. So ito magiging negative 6. Ito is negative 8. Change the sign to positive 3. So ang sagot, negative 5. Okay, kung meron akong mali, let me know in the comment. So number 7, 3 plus 5 equals 8. 7 minus 7. Ito, obviously, 0. Kung pahahabain mo yan, magiging 7 plus negative 7. So 7 minus 7 pa din equals 0. Ito, negative 7 plus 5 equals negative 2. Ito, negative 4 plus negative 1 is negative 5. Dito, 3 plus 1 equals 4, positive 4. Number 12 is both negative, so negative 7. Ito, obviously, positive 3. Ito, negative 9. Ito, negative 2. Again, hindi sila magkapareho. Yung adding integers with similar signs. So, subtract mo sila, 5 minus 3, then copy the sign of the bigger number, which is 5. So, negative 2. Ito, negative 1. Proceed to addition. Change the sign to negative 8. So, it's negative 9. Ito, negative 1. Ito, negative 2. So, ito, again, change the sign to 5. So, negative 3. Ito, positive 2 or 2. Ito, negative 7. Ito, ilan to? 0. Ito, 5 plus 6 equals 11. Ito, 8, proceed to addition, change the sign to positive 9. Ito, negative 3. Ito, ilan yan? Negative 4. Sorry, hindi pala nakikita. So, ayan. Ito, 11, ito 3, 4. So, ito, negative 3. Ito, positive 4. Ito, 0. Ito, negative 8. Yan. So, let's see kung magkapara ba tayo ng sagot. Okay. Hopefully, magkapara tayo ng sagot. So, now, for this second lesson number 2, gagawin natin is multiplication. And division of integers. Dali lang naman to actually. So, ang rule nila is similar lang din naman. So, if you multiply and divide integers with with different signs. So, for example, positive times positive. Ang sagot dyan, positive. Negative times negative is positive. Okay? Negative times positive, negative. Negative times or positive times negative is negative. So, anong napansin nyo? Pag similar signs ang i-multiply, ang sagot, positive. Pag different signs ang i-multiply, ang sagot, negative. Same goes sa division. If you divide similar signs, ang sagot dyan, positive. Okay, negative divided by negative is still positive. Negative divided by negative, positive divided by negative is negative. Negative divided by positive, ang sagot is negative. Again, there are the same rule, similar rules. Multiply both signs positive, multiply different signs negative, divide both signs, similar signs, positive. Different signs ang i-divide, ang sagot, negative. Okay, so let's have an example. So for our example 1, 4 times negative 6 is negative 24 kasi 4 times 6, 24. Since positive negative to, different signs, so ang sagot, negative. Example number 2, negative 36 divided by 9. So ang sagot is 4. Since parehong signs sila, so ang sagot is positive. Di ba? Ito. Negative divided by negative is positive. Okay. Another example. Negative 2 times negative 6 equals to positive 12. Kasi negative negative. Example number 3. Example number 4. 15 divided by negative 3 equals to negative 5. So signs are not matching. So negative siya. And 5 divided by 3 is 5. So again, let's have um, a practice. Okay? Dito na, di na siya, di na siya assignment. Kung gusto niyo i-pause nyo na lang yung video and then pagkatapos niyo masagot ang lahat, saka niyo i-play. So, ito na yung assignment natin. I mean, yung exercise natin. So, ayun guys, ito na yung magiging exercise natin. And you can pause the video so that you can answer it. And, ayun. So, let's start. So, find the product, meaning multiply natin. So, this is 4 times 1 is 4. This is negative kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. This is negative 35. This is negative 80. Parang sign. So, this is positive 14. Again, kung meron ako mali, you can comment. Okay? So, ito is positive 8. This is parehong sign. So, positive 6. Ito, magkaibang sign. So, negative 56. Ito, negative 6. Ito, negative 36. Ito, negative or positive 63. Ito, negative 10. Ito is 4. This is negative 20. And this is positive 27. So, magkapara ba tayo ng sagot? Hopefully, magkapara tayo ng sagot. And again, kung meron akong mali, you can comment it. Okay? So, let's go to division. Yan, you can pause the video. And again, quotient, meaning hanapin natin yung sagot sa division process. So, this is 30 divided by 10. So, it's 3, but it's negative 3 kasi kapareho sila ng, magkaiba sila ng sign. Ito naman is 7. 12, negative 12 divided by negative 4 is positive 3. Negative 2 divided by negative 1 is positive 2. Ito naman, 30 divided by 6 is positive 5. Ito, positive 2, positive 9. That's 27 divided by 3. 35 divided by negative 5. Sabayin na lang sa pagsagot is positive 7. 80 divided by negative 8 is negative 10. Negative 8 divided by negative 2 is positive 4. 50 divided by 5. Positive 50 divided by positive 5 is positive 10. Negative 16. Negative 16 divided by 2 is ilan? Negative 8. 48 divided by 8. Ilan yan? Siyempre, positive 6. 60 divided by negative 10. Siyempre, negative 6. 54 divided by negative 6. Negative 9. So, ayun. Again, sana magkaparata ng sagot. Again, just a recap, no? Sa multiplication, and division, same sign, whether i-multiply mo or di-divide, ang sagot, positive. Different sign, sagot, negative. So, yan lang tandaan natin. Okay? And see you sa ating lesson number 3. Surprise na lang muna ka, no? Ang ating lesson. So, ayun. Thank you and aral lang mabuti. Okay? Bawasan ang pagti-TikTok. So, ayan. See you sa ating lesson number 3. Goodbye and God bless.